జీవితం ఊయలా ఆపకే కూవలా అంటే కుహు అంటూ కుహు అంటే కుహు అంటూ నాతో పాట పాడి మాటలాటలాడితివే ఓ కోయిలా మావినే చూడగా పాడవే కోయిలా జీవితం ఊయలా ఆపకే
This is Devan from Rajahmundry. Please raise your hands to help poor children education for old age people, because India is the country, the world only the country where we have highest number of uncared poor children, street children, old age people. In India there are so many lakhs of non-governmental organizations caring these children, street children and old age. They are running old age homes, orphanages. But still they are not able to cater to care all orphanages and old age people. So I request you to help something possible to these organizations. I am also doing this help through JDAMs to various NGOs, orphanages and child homes and old age homes. Thank you.